Well, we've got a fall chill in the air, but we're ready for homecoming football. It's UMass and Kent State from McGurk Alumni Stadium. Fronapple and company, Tajay Sharp. Fronapple in the shotgun, Jamal Wilson, the tailback. Leading 9, he's back to pass. Throws a slam. Caught over the middle by Rodney Mills. Mills crosses midfield. Mills racing down the near sideline. Rodney Mills all the way to the Kent State 24-yard line. Dragged down from behind, a big-time gain. Rodney Mills over 50 yards.
Taken at the 4 by Oliphant, out to the 30, picks his way to the 35.
Shotgun snap, handoff, Fronapple to Wilson to the left side, reaching for the goal line, turns the corner, and Wilson with the touchdown. UMass strikes first, the Minutemen, a drive that they did almost all the work on the ground, and Wilson gets in from 5 yards out on another handoff. Bolas has to go with a Hail Mary. Throws it down the middle into the end zone. 4 defenders there at the goal line. It's intercepted for a touchdown. Bolas, he takes the snap, hands it. Durham hit right away. Dropped. He did not get there. UMass has stopped him on 4th and 1. It was Shockey Holiness or the turnover on downs. Bolas is going to throw for it, back in the pocket, trying to escape, and Bolas goes down and sacked. Back in his own 46. He was sacked by Kayson Messiah. 1st and 10, Fronapple with a play fake, throws one over the middle to Sharp. Tajay makes the catch, racing to the left side, inside the 10, he's out of bounds. 1st and goal, Minutemen, and there's the record. Tajay Sharp passing